So yes, as we promised, Red Cat Racing gave us some goodies to give away, and we were gonna be giving those away in the next couple videos. We're gonna give over there some tips about how to get those items. You literally have to like, subscribe, and leave a comments, and you can win one of those, and we're just gonna ship it to you. What we got is right now 2 Red Cat Racing hats. They're pretty cool, and we got 1 extra large shirts to give away, and we have 2 sets of cool Red Cat Racing stickers. Just follow us and see what we're going to do, because we have a couple cool project and how to. First thing we're gonna do is gonna be to upgrade the chrono. Let's go over there real quick. This thing, I'm gonna upgrade this truck into brushless. I'm not gonna use the one motor that you can actually get it with. I'm gonna put a better motor and see how it's gonna perform. And we're gonna do another video showing this thing running with the R5, and we're gonna compare the R5 actually with another even bigger car, is this one, the Rampage V3 Pro version, all aluminum, size wise and everything that you're gonna want to know. So just like, subscribe, and follow us. Now, in additional videos that you're gonna see soon, I'm gonna start doing all those goodies that I got here. For everyone, I'm gonna show what is the vehicle, even including my high-speed camera vehicle. We have a lot of cool toys here around the shop that we're gonna show. Now, those are not off now. Just real quick, those are Corona, made in Italy. The same for my Viper. And this is a Red Cat Racing shredder that I put together a while back. And we have here on the top my Corona 1/5 scale speed run car. Like, subscribe, so you can see what else we can give you.